Alright, we're back. Kobe824 is going to do box 6. Guys, and we're going to work on the break, because this was the only box I had available today for personals. Box 6. Where is that Silo Prime? Where is that Silo Prime, guys? Got another redemption. Out of 199, trending upward. It's going to be Moutier, D-Russ, D-Book, and Cameron Payne. And one of these things does not belong. One color, Booker. One color, Cameron Payne. One color, D-Russ. And one color, Emmanuel Moutier. One of these people does not belong on this book. Out of 199. I know. I don't know why Booker's on here at all. Out of 199. 8 of 199. Or also 9 of 9. You never know. It's 9 of 9. And your redemption. We're going to block it with the other pack. Just Panini preferred autographs. Nice. D'Angelo Russell. Rookie autograph. D-Russ. Nice rookie auto there for you, Terry. We still have not hit a patch. 10 of 99. Terry Rozier. Terry Rozier. 10 of 99. Jersey silhouette autograph. 10 of 99. Terry Rozier. And is it going to be a patch? Yep, it is prime. It is prime. 14 of 25 stat line memorabilia, James Harden. Let's see how disgusting this patch will be. Pretty nice. 2 color. 1, 2, 3 breaks. James Harden. That was November 27th, 2015. Rockets beat the 76ers. By 2. Well, James Harden pointing, saying go away because I'm not passing you the ball because I don't pass the ball ever. Well, we already hit the cat. We already hit the cat silo. So, all right, nice box, Terry. We got one left. One left. It is Terry's to decline.